Hey folks, warm, humid evening across the valley, the way it's supposed to be in August. These are the current temperatures right now: 80 in Edinburg, 81 in Raymondville and Harlingen. Get out to the beach and it's still mild there. Temperatures there in the 80s as well. McAllen's 86 right now, 87 the latest reading in Rio Grande City. And in the humidity, it still feels like upper 80s and low 90s this time of night. Not too awfully bad. And then tomorrow, these are your forecast highs. Most of the valley in the mid to upper 90s. The exceptions out west, Rio Grande City at 101. South Padre at 87, but there's about a 30% chance for a shower, maybe even a thunderstorm tomorrow. Take a look. We've got some stuff up about halfway between Corpus Christi and San Antonio right now. Had a thunderstorm earlier this evening in Laredo, but all this stuff part of an old front that's just kind of falling apart over the region. Front sitting just to the north of us right now. It's not going to get any closer, but the rain from that may push a little bit southward. You got to watch, not so much during the early part of the day tomorrow, but by afternoon, scattered showers and storms fire up on that old boundary, and some of them could sneak into the valley second half of the day tomorrow, so we'll be watching for that. Now the front itself washes out, but there's enough moisture, enough instability left around that I think Wednesday there still could be another shower or two, and then I think things taper off quite a bit after that. So we're on 30%, then 20%, and then dry by the time we get to the daytime hours on Thursday. But tomorrow, at least some folks should see a shower or a thunder shower. Temperature-wise, 97 is the norm. Probably won't make it tomorrow because of the clouds and that chance for showers, but we're right back up to 98 Wednesday and Thursday. Old frontal boundary dying down into the Gulf. No threat from the tropics there, but take a wider look, and we're watching one system just coming into the Lesser Antilles and another that's just coming off the coast of Africa. And those two systems both bear watch. The one that's over here has a 60% chance of developing the next 5 days. You can see that path keeps it in the Caribbean for quite some time, basically moving west-northwest pretty quickly. Not showing any signs of organizing now, but once it gets a little farther to the west, there's a shot it could do so. Where it ends up at the end of this orange area, it is very difficult to say. Some of the models bury it down into Central America. Others bring it up into the Western Gulf. We'll watch that one carefully. This other system has a better chance of developing, 90% over the next 5 days. In fact, 60% over the next 2 days. It's in an area very favorable for development, so we'll be watching that one as well, a little bit north of the track of this first one. But two systems we're watching as we go into the most active part of the hurricane season. Typically from about here on out till late September is when we're really seeing things fire up, and looks like it may be living up to expectations. Tonight, 76. Mostly clear, warm and muggy. Tomorrow, back up to 96. Partly sunny skies. Could be a brief afternoon shower, thunderstorm in a few spots. Again, that chance of rain tomorrow stands at 30%, 20% on Wednesday. I think Thursday and Friday should be mainly dry. By the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, we start to bring some moisture back in. That gives us a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm again for the end of the weekend and the early part of next week. The bottom line for tomorrow, scattered afternoon thunderstorms, your high temperature about 96, your rain chance at about 30%. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.